Meta, formerly known as Facebook, has just launched a new AI language model called Llama. In this video, we'll explore what Llama is and how it can benefit users. Llama stands for Language Model for AI Applications, and it is an advanced natural language processing tool that Meta has developed. It can understand and analyze human language, making it a powerful tool for businesses and developers. The primary benefit of Llama is that it can understand natural language queries and generate responses in real time. This means that businesses can use Llama to create chatbots, voice assistants, and other AI-powered tools that can interact with customers and users more effectively. Llama is also highly customizable, which means that businesses can tailor it to their specific needs. For example, they can train it to recognize industry-specific terminology, making it more accurate and helpful for users. Another benefit of Llama is that it is designed to be privacy-focused. Meta has emphasized that Llama is trained on a diverse set of data and is not biased towards any specific demographic. Llama is also highly scalable, which means that it can handle large volumes of data and queries. This makes it a valuable tool for businesses that need to process a high volume of customer inquiries or support requests. Llama is designed to work across a variety of platforms, including mobile devices and desktop computers. This means that businesses can create AI-powered tools that work seamlessly across different devices and operating systems. One of the most exciting features of Llama is its ability to generate natural-sounding responses. This means that businesses can create chatbots and voice assistants that feel more like real human interactions. Finally, Llama is designed to be continuously learning and improving. As it interacts with users and processes more data, it will become more accurate and effective. Thanks for watching. What are your thoughts on Meta's new AI language model, Llama? Share your opinions in the comment box below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.